Xiaomi does not have a long history. The startup was established in 2010 and quickly became popular worldwide. Of course, it's much more popular in China than in most other countries, but it has succeeded in establishing a solid reputation without even having to advertise its smartphones in its home country. All the fans know the story, so we're rather more interested in the facts that aren't widely known. Considered as China's Apple, most of Xiaomi's designs resembles Apple in its elegance, simplicity, and minimalism. It also evokes a similar kind of fervor in China as Apple does in the US. Xiaomi does not own a single physical store in any parts of the world except China and recently Singapore. In fact, it's selling its products online everywhere. This helps them to reduce some additional costs to maintain the affordable price tag they want to offer. That definitely kills two birds with one stone. Xiaomi also does not use any traditional channels of advertising. They do not support endorsements of any kind either, which makes us wonder, how did their products rise to fame so quickly in such a short time? Xiaomi sold 15,000 Mi3 smartphones in just 2 seconds in India. Yes, 2 seconds. Imagine the load the server would have to sustain this kind of traffic. Furthermore, Xiaomi Mi3 was considered as the world's fastest smartphone at the time of its release. In fact, in 2014, they actually managed to break the Guinness World Record by selling 2.1 million smartphones in just one day. As many as 3 of the top 9 leadership positions in Xiaomi are occupied by ex-Googlers. Is there some sort of connection? All we know is that they are talented, and Xiaomi's success has to be credited to their ability to rise from the bottom. Wanna know something interesting? Xiaomi's logo has a hidden word inside of it. The word can be found when you turn the logo of Xiaomi upside down. It will probably resemble a Chinese character, and it means heart in English. Xiaomi's CEO announced in April that the company will permanently limit the profit margin earned from hardware sales to a maximum of 5% after tax. This applies to Xiaomi's entire profit lineup, from smartphones to lifestyle products. This means a Chinese manufacturer will not follow in the footsteps of companies like OnePlus, Samsung, and Apple that increase pricing almost on a yearly basis. Xiaomi's products will always offer great value for money, which is fantastic news for customers. Xiaomi is a great and innovative company as it became one of the world's biggest phone manufacturer by sales volume in just 5 years. Xiaomi was founded in 2010 by the serial entrepreneur Lei Jun, who believed that high-quality technology does not cost a fortune. Xiaomi limited its profit margin to 5% because its business model relies heavily on after-sale purchases like accessories and content from its digital store. To increase sales of these items, the company has to sell as many smartphones as possible. Keeping prices low is the best way to do that. Xiaomi bought the domain mi.com for $3.6 million in 2014, replacing Xiaomi.com as its official website. The company made this expensive purchase because it wanted to expand into markets outside China, where people have trouble pronouncing the word Xiaomi. Pronouncing Mi is a lot easier for most people. It's also easier to remember, which is important for a company that sells most of its products through its own website. If Xiaomi gave this more thought back in 2010, it would have saved them a lot of money. Mi.com or mi.com was the most expensive domain of the year at the time of purchase. If you're wondering, the most expensive domain ever sold to date is apparently insurance.com, which sold for a whopping $35.6 million, almost 10 times more than mi.com. Xiaomi is mostly known for high-value smartphones like the Mi 8, Mi Mix 2S, and the Redmi Note 5. However, the company has a lot more products in its lineup, some of which may surprise you. The company also makes fitness trackers, drones, smart light bulbs, robot vacuum cleaners, and power banks. Let's not forget about the security cameras, media streaming devices, and even smart running shoes. Xiaomi succeeded in surpassing Uber to become the world's most valuable startup with a value of $46 billion. Xiaomi continues to grow to this day and currently employs more than 8,000 employees. In 2013, Xiaomi succeeded in hiring Hugo Barra, former product manager for Google and Android development manager, to be its vice president. In 2014, Xiaomi welcomed one of the three Apple founders, Steve Wozniak. According to him, the company has excellent products that he himself said are good enough to break the American market.
We have a wonderful world today.
Yeah, great.
Yeah, great phone. I'm playing with mine. I like it so far. I'll tell you if I have problems.
Do you own any product or smartphone by Xiaomi? Let us know in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one.